help from Selwood. Geelong head over the ball. Selwood goes for home and he calls it in. And the Cats have their third. The youngsters done it.
And here they come with their great champion.
Squeezing it, just getting it forward. Barker, Christian's got a man in the goal square. He's soaring, and that man is Joel Selwood. That is a vital goal for the Cats.
6 times before in the history of the game. It says so much about the intensity here.
And here he is, Captain Courageous, Selwood.
Joins his brother as a premiership player.
Wasn't he? It was a great one. Oh, what a mark! It's Selwood! Has he ever done that many things? And then another great mark! Oh, wow! Spangler went very early. Hawkins to Selwood. He kicked the opening goal. Measures it. Steady. Goal. Never going to miss. The captain puts them in front.
Woodcock in front. Wins it down. Guthrie's over the football. Selwood. Thanks to Guthrie. Comes away. And the kick is good. Geelong in front.
Bartel trying to get it over the head of Gibson. A chance. Taylor races on. Selwood got the speed. Can he set it up and kick a third? He does. It's a goal. The captain does it again. Give a little bit of that today. Chikonka had it a while. Martin, good tackle, Selwood. And that ball, I think it's holding the ball.
Gee, that's a great tackle there. We showed him the pre.
He did everything but take the mark. Step 1 was get the ball. Step 2, get the mark going. Step 3 is fine. Selwood. Now, the umpire didn't pay the mark, but he's paid the free kick. Joel Selwood, what a star he is. Comes in, his 4th grand final in 5 years, puts it through Geelong back in front.
I just thought he and Bartel in the second quarter, when it going against the flow, it was those 2 players who kept them in it. Tom Hawkins obviously dominated after that, but 28.
Hawk front and centre thumping handball, and Selwood finishes the job.
Burn-Jones, they keep coming. Beautiful spinning move here. Just got to get around one. Almost bit off too much. Gave it to a man, put him under the pump, and a pulverising tackle by Joel Selwood.
Picked up by Guthrie, ripped in a tackle, spun a couple of times. Selwood gets boot to ball. Cats kick the goal.
Selwood, wouldn't it be great? Well, working the right way. The skipper, the hero, the superstar. What a moment. Joel Selwood has nailed a goal.